Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Sougayilang, if I'm saying that right, fishing rod combo that arrived yesterday from Amazon. We'll unbox this or unbag this thing together and I'll give you my first impressions at the end of the video. We do a lot of fishing in Tampa Bay from our boat and we generally buy fairly quality gear. But in this case, I wanted something that could be compact and in a case that I could keep in the back seat of my truck for that spontaneous fishing hole opportunity. I got this one for 50 bucks off Amazon and it had pretty good reviews. All right guys, let's dive into this thing. So all it was is this bag, well the regular Amazon package bag with my address on it, and then there was this. There was actually no box. Pretty neat little case. Customer service, 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. Go with family and enjoy your time on the water. All right, let's get these off here. All right, let's see what's inside. We'll put that to the side. Looks like we got a reel, an extra spool, some braided line. This is the reel, or the crank for the reel. A little bit of fishing tackle. We'll touch base on that in a minute. And then the rod itself. This is what I was most curious about, because as long as this component right here is good, down the road, if this is garbage, time will tell on that, then this, you know, I can put another reel on this. I can put other line on, I can put other bait in here, but if this case is cool and this rod, that's 90% of it for me. All right, so let's put this thing together. So it comes with this little piece. These are all loose in there. This unsnaps. Because again, these are all sloppy if you don't either have them extended or packed in this. Little piece with a little foam tip to protect the tip of the rod. These basically just extend. There's no twisting, locking, no functionality at all to them. You just put a little pressure on them and then that's that. You go to the next one and you just make sure you're lining up the tips or the eyelets so that they're not all wonky, and you push those together. All right, let's put the crank on the reel. You do have a little washer there. Be careful not to lose that. And that tightens up. All right. Oh, that spins both ways. We got a little, just like on most reels, you got a little thing so it only spins one way. Bail action seems fine. Tighten the drag, loosen the drag. See if that clicks. Yep, there we go. So that's your clicking mechanism. If your drag's being pulled open, you got that. Everyone loves when they hear that thing zzz, fisherman's favorite sound. All right, let's mount this on here. There's a little slot right in there for it to go in. And then this has to spin around a certain way. And then it'll lock in right there. Or this will slide over the tip, just like a regular fishing rod. And then this tightens down. This, I notice, spins. It doesn't look like it tightens or loosens anything, so you guys let me know in the comments if you know why that spins. And there we have it. Collapse everything back down. To be honest with you guys, I might leave it like this in my truck and not put it in the carrying case. I'll try it both ways and see. But I'm usually a man of, if I see there's fish there, I just want to fish. I don't want to go through the process of hooking the reel on. I'll probably leave it kind of like this with the line on it already. All right, there's the extra spool and braided fishing line. 12 pounds, 110 yards, typical green braided fishing line. I mean, braided fishing line, I don't know the quality of this stuff, but braided fishing line is not cheap. So 50 bucks for all of this, not bad. Just a cheap little case, that's all you need. Again, this went in here. You can see that over there. This went in here. So I may or may not use this case because I may want a bigger one of these, but this is what it came with, and it's not bad. Little plastic open case. You got a couple lures, well, third lure, 15 spoon, 15 grams, some jig heads, so that's what it comes with there, guys. And here is your carrying case, your little tackle deal, extra fishing spool, some braided line, and the collapsible setup. Now let's put it all back in. All right, guys, so that's what was in the box or the bag of my new collapsible fishing rod. I'll admit, after opening it and getting my hands on it, touching, feeling, putting it together, that sort of thing, I'm pretty excited about using it. Do I think it'll last forever and I'll pass it on to my grandkids? No. Will it last a couple years in the back of my truck and hopefully catch a bunch of fish? I think it will. Please subscribe to our channel so you can see some of those upcoming videos to those spontaneous fishing holes. I think everybody should carry a fishing rod of some sort in their truck because you just never know. If you'd like to get one like I have, I'll put a link in the description below. Until next time, God bless.